So basically when you take a picture here and on top you have your sticker icon, go ahead and press that. You had your GIF sticker. If you press this, you could search for GIFs and basically add these little GIFs here to your post. That is not what I wanted to show you today. You could actually do a different full page GIF here. So let me X out of here and discard. So a full page GIF is done by going to the create mode inside of Instagram story. On the bottom, if you scroll over, you should get create mode as long as you update your Instagram to make sure you have this create option. This rolled out in October of 2019. And right here, you're on text mode on top. If you go to the right, you'll get to GIF mode here and you could search for Giphy. So if I search for something here, let's say hungry, press done. And you could see all these options here for hungry. And let me go ahead and choose one of these. And you could see that it creates, if I press done, it creates a full screen GIF that you could share to your story. Again, you could press the sticker icon even here and add another GIF on top of that if you wanted to. So these floating GIFs could be placed anywhere, but now your whole background could be this kind of GIF. And then you could go ahead and share it to your story. And it's that simple to create full page GIFs inside of Instagram Story. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for daily tech videos and social media videos just like this one, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.